Arag agus is Niamh Woods, Laoch na hImeartha, captain of Niamh, Comhghairdeas lad, many congratulations. 2010, last time Tyrone won an All-Ireland final, you're back into another All-Ireland final again, so tell me your thoughts on that.
We're absolutely delighted. I suppose 2010 seems like a long time ago. It's 7 years now at this point. But as you can see from our team there, it's very changed. And we have a lot of young and new players who've come on board the last number of years. So we're really excited about the end of September.
Talk to me about last year, because I know you got to an All-Ireland quarter-final. You were bitterly disappointed not to get through that semi-final. So was that talked about? Was that discussed coming in and planning for today's game?
Yes, definitely. I suppose whenever we played Clare last year in the quarter-final stages, we were bitterly disappointed in our performance. And at the start of this year, we wanted to make sure we got beyond that stage. And I suppose we did have a long layoff from the Ulster Championship, so we were well ready for that game. And we're just delighted to not only make today's game, but get over another hurdle and look forward to a final now.
Your performance and work rate were excellent throughout today. That first half, I mean, the goal, we're going to speak about that goal coming up towards the end of the first half, but the missed opportunities, the chances on goal, what was going through your head when that was happening?
I suppose from us in the defence, with so many openings and so many chances, and it was just a matter of time before we actually ended up finishing one, and we're just delighted it came at the right time just before the end of the first half. And I think we knew ourselves, with the number of openings and the chances we created, that eventually the goal would come, and we're delighted then that it was finished in the end.
Well, you are true to an All-Ireland final. Comhghairdeas lad Niamh is to Laoch na hImeartha agus to Marie Hickey, Uachtar an Comhghairdeas na man, and Comhghairdeas of hImeartha.